Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherry Mark. Thanks for joining me, and thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. So we're going to learn something very quick, and yeah, I hope you're going to enjoy. So I thought of teaching you something concerning farm. I mean, words that we use in the farm and words that can be used while farming. So as you can see here, as you can all see, I am at a field. Don't worry, I'm trying to find a good position. So as you can see, I am right here at this field, and I'm going to teach you how we call the field in Kikuyu. Now, a field, definitely, depending on what how you understand, a field is called kiwaja. Kiwaja is a field. Now, a farm, let's say like this one here, like you can see here, this is a farm. Maybe you cannot see very well, but behind me and around me is a farm. A farm is called muguda. Muguda. That's how we call a farm in Kikuyu. Now, the other word is farming. Farming is called korema. Farming is called korema. Also, you can say oremi. Oremi is farming. The act of farming is korema. Korema is that act of farming, or farming, in basically farming. That is what we call korema. Now, what about planting? Planting, maybe you want to plant maize, you want to plant beans, any kind of planting. Let me wake up. Planting is called kuhada. Kuhada. That's how we call planting. What about harvesting? Harvesting is called kogeda. Kogeda. That is how we call harvesting in Kikuyu. Now, the other thing is weeding. Weeding is called koremera. Koremera. That is how we call weeding. Well, I think that's all from my side today. It was just a random short video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. Leave your comments down there. And as usual, thank you so much for watching. I hope you are able to learn something from me. And until next time, goodbye, and I wish you all a happy weekend. Enjoy your weekends wherever you are. Bye bye. See you soon.